All right, ladies, have you ever caught him looking at you in a certain way? Or maybe he's acting a little different, and you can't help but wonder, does he like me too? You might be giving off signals without even realizing it, and he's picking up on every little thing. But here's the truth. Sometimes men won't make the first move, even if they're dying to know if you feel the same. So how do you know if he's secretly wondering if you like him too? Welcome to our Women Relationship channel. And today, I'm going to share 9 psychological signs that show he's definitely intrigued by you but too shy to say it. Stop what you're doing right now and focus, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what he's really thinking and how to make him take the next step. Let's get started. Number 1, his body language betrays him. When someone's attracted to you, their body doesn't lie, even if their words do. If he's wondering if you like him, his body language might give him away. Psychologically, when someone's drawn to you, they can't help but show it. He might lean in slightly when you speak, even in a group. This shows engagement and interest. He may keep his body facing you, or maintain eye contact longer than usual. And don't miss the signs of nervous energy, like fidgeting with his watch, adjusting his clothes, or playing with his hair. These subtle gestures often signal he's trying to impress you or is nervous about how he's coming across. One more key giveaway: if he touches his neck or face around you, that's a common self-soothing gesture people make when they're attracted to someone. So when his body language is saying, "I like you," while his words say little, it's a pretty clear sign he's interested. Number 2, he finds excuses to text or call you. When a man is secretly wondering if you like him, he'll look for reasons to stay connected, even if it's through simple texts or calls. The conversation might start casually. Maybe he shares a funny meme or asks for your opinion on something small, but his real goal? Keeping the connection alive. Pay attention to how often he reaches out. Does he text you good morning randomly or send you updates about his day? These aren't just random thoughts, they're subtle ways of testing your interest. If he's initiating contact frequently, it's a clear sign he's thinking about you. Number 3, he mirrors your movements. Subtle mimicry is a psychological connection. Have you noticed him adjusting his posture right after you do? Maybe he picks up his drink when you pick up yours, or subtly adopts your tone of voice. This is called mirroring, and it's an unconscious way people try to establish rapport and connection. Why this matters? When someone mimics your movements, it's a strong indicator that they feel connected to you on a deeper level. It's his brain's way of aligning with yours. Number 4, he's a little nervous or awkward around you. Finally, if he seems nervous or clumsy around you, that's a classic psychological sign of attraction. He might over-explain something, fumble his words, or get flustered when you make eye contact. This is his body's way of reacting to someone he's drawn to. If he's also joking or teasing a lot, it could be his way of trying to ease his nerves while still engaging with you. It's not about trying to be funny. It's his way of testing the waters and making sure he's not coming on too strong. Number 5, he tries to make you laugh. Humor, a universal flirting tool. A guy who likes you will make an effort to make you laugh. He may crack jokes, tease you playfully, or even exaggerate his stories just to see you smile. Why this happens? Laughter creates instant connection and eases social tension. If he's always trying to be funny around you, it means he values your reaction and wants to impress you. Number 6, he pays close attention to what you think. One of the biggest signs he's secretly wondering if you like him is how much attention he gives to your opinions. Does he remember the small things you've said, like your favorite snack or the book you've been dying to read? That's no accident. When men are interested, they listen closely because they want to understand you more. For example, if you casually mentioned your favorite type of music and the next time he's with you, he plays that exact song, it's not just good memory. He's actively trying to connect with you, creating emotional intimacy. When he quotes things you've said or seeks your advice on something important, that's his way of showing that what you say matters to him. Pay attention to these moments. They're not just thoughtful gestures, they're subtle signs he's trying to figure out how you feel. Number 7, he remembers small details about you. When he remembers the little things, they're not little. If he recalls something you mentioned in passing weeks ago, like your favorite coffee order or a story about your childhood, pay attention. When a guy likes you, he listens intently and stores away information to use later. Why this matters: men don't always pay attention to details unless they want to. If he brings up things you've only mentioned once, it means you're on his mind more than you realize. Number 8. He asks questions that go beyond small talk. Is he asking you questions that dig deeper than surface-level conversation? If so, that's a major clue. When a guy likes you, he'll want to know what makes you tick. He'll ask questions about your childhood, your dreams, or what excites you in life. For instance, he might ask, "What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?" Or, "What's your biggest goal right now?" These questions are more than just casual conversation. They're his way of learning what matters to you, hoping to build a connection. And here's the kicker: if he remembers your answers and brings them up again, it's a sign he's not just trying to make small talk. He's genuinely trying to understand you, building emotional intimacy in hopes of seeing if the feelings are mutual. Number 9, he tries to impress you without making it obvious. A man who's wondering if you like him will often try to impress you in subtle ways. He might casually mention a recent accomplishment, like a promotion at work, or talk about a new skill he's learned. These aren't random bragging sessions. He's showing you he's valuable, hoping you'll see him in a positive light. Another way he might do this is by going out of his way to help you, whether it's offering to fix something for you, or just being there when you need a hand. These small acts are his way of showing you that he's dependable, capable, and someone worth noticing. Conclusion: attraction is like a dance, subtle, exciting, and full of little signs waiting to be noticed. If you've spotted several of these signals in his behavior, chances are he's trying to figure out if you feel the same way. The key is to stay present, trust your instincts, and respond in a way that feels natural to you. Remember, confidence is attractive. If you like him too, don't be afraid to show a little interest back. A smile, a playful tease, or engaging in deeper conversations can give him the green light to make his move. At the end of the day, the best connections are built on mutual interest and effort. So whether he's subtly checking for signs or making a bold move, enjoy the process, have fun, and let things unfold naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on relationships and dating. See you in the next one.